Ever wondered how your smartphone can perform so many complex tasks within seconds? The answer lies in the unseen world of nanotechnology. In the vast universe that we inhabit, there exists a microcosm, a world that is so tiny that it's almost invisible to the naked eye. This is the realm of nanotechnology, a field of science that works at the atomic and molecular level, dealing with particles that are 1/1,000,000th of a meter in size. Yes, you heard it right, 1/1,000,000,000th. Now, you might be thinking, that's fascinating, but what does nanotechnology have to do with me? Well, the fact is, nanotechnology is much closer to your daily life than you might realize. It's in the phone you're holding, the computer you're working on, and even in the medicine you take when you're feeling under the weather. Take your smartphone, for example. It's a marvel of nanotechnology. Those tiny chips inside your phone are packed with millions of transistors, each one no bigger than a few hundred nanometers. These microscopic transistors switch on and off billions of times per second, helping your phone to carry out complex tasks with lightning speed. Nanotechnology also plays a pivotal role in medicine. Imagine a world where doctors can target cancer cells with precision, leaving healthy cells untouched. That's the potential of nanomedicine. By designing nanoparticles that can recognize and bind to cancer cells, doctors can deliver drugs directly to the disease, reducing side effects and improving patient outcomes. But nanotechnology isn't just about making things smaller. It's about reimagining the possibilities of what we can achieve when we manipulate matter on such a minuscule scale. It's about creating materials that are stronger, lighter, and more efficient. It's about pushing the boundaries of our understanding and harnessing the power of the very building blocks of the universe. So, nanotechnology is not just a concept of the future, it is an integral part of our present. Nanotechnology may seem like a modern concept, but it has a history that dates back to the early 20th century. The journey began when physicist Richard Feynman proposed a captivating idea in his famous 1959 lecture, "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom." He envisioned a world where we could manipulate and control individual atoms and molecules, a concept that was far beyond the grasp of science at that time. However, the true birth of nanotechnology as we know it today came in the early 80s with the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope. This remarkable device allowed scientists to see individual atoms for the first time, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. The microscope was so revolutionary that its inventors, Gerd Binnig and Heinrich Röhre, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1986. This breakthrough sparked a wave of advancements in the field. In the 90s, scientists began to create nanoparticles, tiny structures that could be used in a variety of applications, from electronics to medicine. The turn of the century saw the development of carbon nanotubes, incredibly strong and lightweight structures that had the potential to revolutionize industries from aerospace to electronics. Over the years, nanotechnology has infiltrated every field of science. In medicine, it has led to the development of targeted drug delivery systems and improved imaging techniques. In electronics, it has enabled the creation of smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient devices. In material science, it has allowed for the development of materials with unprecedented properties. The journey of nanotechnology has not been a smooth one, though. It has been marked by numerous challenges and controversies, from concerns about the environmental impact of nanoparticles to ethical issues related to their use. But despite these hurdles, the field has continued to grow and evolve, driven by the limitless potential of the nanoscale world. Nanotechnology has come a long way since its inception, and its journey is far from over. From medicine to electronics, the footprint of nanotechnology is everywhere. Let's delve into the significant impact of nanotechnology on several fields. First up, medicine. This field has been revolutionized by nanotechnology, with its potential to transform the way we diagnose and treat diseases. For instance, nanoparticles are being used to target cancer cells directly, minimizing the side effects of chemotherapy. On the other hand, nanosensors are being developed to detect diseases at the earliest stages, long before symptoms appear. Next, let's talk electronics. Nanotechnology has made it possible to manufacture smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient electronic devices. From the smartphone in your pocket to the laptop on your desk, the influence of nanotechnology is undeniable. The use of nanoscale transistors has allowed us to pack billions of transistors into a single chip, increasing computing power while reducing size and cost. Now, on to energy. Nanotechnology is playing a pivotal role in developing more efficient and sustainable energy solutions. For example, in solar energy, nanostructured solar cells have been designed to absorb more sunlight, increasing their efficiency. Then there's the field of energy storage, where nanotechnology is being used to develop batteries with higher energy capacity and faster charging times. Finally, let's touch on materials science. Nanotechnology has enabled the creation of materials with exceptional properties. Think of carbon nanotubes, which are stronger than steel, but only 1/6 the weight, or nanoporous materials, which have a vast surface area despite their tiny size, making them ideal for applications like gas storage or water purification. Nanotechnology is reshaping our world, one atom at a time. From fighting diseases to powering our gadgets, from harvesting sunlight to creating supermaterials, nanotechnology is not just a scientific curiosity. It's an essential tool that's already changing our lives, and its influence is only set to grow. So, the next time you pick up your smartphone or put on your smartwatch, remember you're holding a piece of the nanotech revolution in your hands. The future of nanotechnology holds limitless possibilities. Imagine a world where tiny robots or nanobots could travel through your bloodstream, identifying and destroying harmful cells or repairing damaged tissues. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot. It's a potential future application of nanotechnology. These nanobots could revolutionize medicine, making treatments more precise, efficient, and effective. But nanotechnology's potential extends far beyond healthcare. Picture ultra-efficient solar panels, their performance boosted by nanotechnology. These could capture and convert sunlight into electricity with unprecedented efficiency, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and helping us combat climate change. And then there's the dream of a space elevator. A cable made from carbon nanotubes stretching from the Earth to a counterweight in space. This could drastically reduce the cost of sending objects and people into space, opening up a universe of possibilities. It sounds like science fiction, but nanotechnology could make it a reality. However, like any technological advancement, nanotechnology comes with challenges and ethical considerations. The same nanobots that could save lives might also be used for nefarious purposes. And what about the environmental impact of producing and disposing of nanomaterials? These are questions we must grapple with as we move forward. Moreover, we must also ensure that the benefits of nanotechnology are shared equitably. We don't want to create a world where only the wealthy have access to life-saving nanobots, or where countries with advanced nanotech capabilities have an unfair advantage in space exploration. But despite these challenges, the potential of nanotechnology is breathtaking. We're talking about a technology that could revolutionize medicine, energy production, and space travel. A technology that could help us cure diseases, combat climate change, and explore the universe. As we stand on the brink of a nanotech revolution, it's exciting to imagine what the future holds. Nanotechnology, a field that operates on a scale so tiny, yet its impact is monumental. Today, we've journeyed through the unseen world of nanotechnology and explored its profound influence on our lives. We began our expedition by understanding the definition of nanotechnology. It's a field that deals with structures and materials on the scale of nanometers, which are 1/1000th of a meter. That's incredibly tiny. Yet, the possibilities it holds are far from small. We then dove into the evolution of nanotechnology. tracing its humble beginnings from the theoretical concepts of physicist Richard Feynman in the 1950s to its present-day applications. We've seen how the field has grown exponentially over the decades, transforming from a mere scientific concept to a practical tool that has revolutionized various industries. Next, we discussed the impact of nanotechnology on various fields. From medicine to electronics to energy and even the environment, the reach of nanotechnology is vast and profound. It's been instrumental in developing targeted drug delivery systems, enhancing the efficiency of solar cells, reducing electronic device sizes, and even in environmental cleanup efforts. We've seen how this tiny technology is making a giant leap in pushing the boundaries of science and improving our lives. Lastly, we delved into the exciting future of nanotechnology. We anticipate even greater strides in the years to come, with the potential to revolutionize areas like quantum computing, nanomedicine, and environmental sustainability. The future of nanotechnology is indeed promising. It's a field that's poised to shape our world in ways we can't even imagine today. As we wrap up, let's not forget that nanotechnology, while incredibly powerful, is also a tool that needs to be used responsibly. The ethical implications and potential risks associated with it are topics that warrant careful consideration and deliberation. In this tiny world of nanotechnology, we find the possibilities for our future. It's a journey of discovery, one atom at a time.